How we doing, everybody? I ended up getting myself a new ride about a month ago. I brought the Escape in for a 100,000 mile service, and it had some issues. And with me only having a couple hundred miles left on my Ford extended warranty, I decided to trade it in. And I picked up this 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. It's in really nice shape. When I picked it up, it had 52,000 miles on it. I'm at just over 53,000 miles on it now. It's got the 3.5 V6 in it, and it's a double cab with a short bed. I did add some cheap seat protection. With me being a mechanic, say if I have a blob of grease or something like that on my pants, I don't want to get it on the cloth seats. So I picked these cheap seat covers up from Walmart. I think they were like $30, and they do the job just fine. And as far as what I did for the back, I just picked up, again from Walmart, a cheap bench seat cover for the rear, and it'll suit the job just fine. A couple of features I actually really do like is I do have an inverter, so I do have some power in the bed. Now it only works when the truck is running though. Not a huge deal. Now I did put on some black letters for the tailgate lettering. I think it looks really good instead of just the silver. Already has a hitch on it. I'm already set up to tow my boat trailer and my utility trailer. Towing capacity of the Tacoma is 6,500 pounds. And I do have both the RV style connector as well as the 4 flat. All I did was picked up an RV style connector to 4 flat adapter, and that's what I'll be using for my boat trailer and my utility trailer, as they both have 4 flat connectors on them. Do have a nice 8-inch touchscreen, and it does have Android Auto and CarPlay. Now, I use Android Auto, obviously, because I have an Android. So I have my Google Maps, I have my YouTube Music, all that good stuff. I've been averaging right around 20 miles per gallon with it right now, and that's kind of all around driving. I do a combination of city and highway, but mostly city. I have my little taco dash buddy. And I also did a little Toyota sticker on the back window. I am also going to be installing the LED lights that go in the bed. I actually just ordered the kit last night, and the kit was like less than $40, and it's a plug and play kit. So definitely be doing some pictures of those once I get those installed. And now I also did pick up a Napier Backroads truck bed tent for when I do the Coleman Lantern gatherings. And I also bought a twin-size air mattress that fits in the bed just fine. And I think this truck will actually suit me better than the Escape for towing my utility trailer as well as my boat trailer. I have 16-inch aluminum wheels with some nice Cooper Discoverer AT3 4S tires. Tires are like brand new, so just going to run them. Now with this being TRD off-road trim level, it does have the Bilstein shocks. The suspension, I believe, is a little bit stiffer than your standard like SR or SR5 trim level. And I do have a couple of skid plates. I also do have an electronic locking rear differential, as well as multi-terrain select and crawl control. Those are features that I may not really ever use, but if I do ever decide to go off-road with this truck, I do know that I have that ability. And I also do have the Heritage Grille where Toyota is spelled out instead of having the Toyota logo. I really like that look. I also took and touched up the driver's side fog light. Had a little paint chip, but I just sanded it lightly, hit it with a little bit of alcohol, and then a black paint marker touched it right up. So, all in all, a nice truck.